In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product to your QuickBooks inventory. Let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, navigate over to the left side of your homepage and click on Sales found within the navigation menu. This is where you manage and view your sales activities and associated lists. Next, proceed by clicking on the Products and Services option. Here, you can see a list of all your existing products and services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as this is where you'll manage your inventory details. To add a new product to your inventory, look for the New button. It's typically easy to spot, and click on it. This will provide a drop-down menu with options. Choose Inventory Item to categorize the new product. Now that you've selected to add an inventory item, you need to fill in the basic information for your product. Start by providing a name for your product. For instance, you could type in jeans. Remember, a descriptive name helps in quick recognition later. To further enhance the identification, you can click to add an image of your product. A clear image can be highly beneficial when managing multiple items. Following this, set the item type. For our example, let's go with an inventory item. Proceed to enter the SKU number. This unique code helps in efficient tracking and management of your product. Categorizing your product is also vital, so use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate category. For example, you might categorize it under fashion, if that's applicable. Adequate categorization helps in maintaining organized records. Now let's move on to adding inventory details. Start with the initial quantity on hand. For instance, type in 100 as your current stock level. Align this with an as of date to confirm it's the starting point for inventory tracking. To do this, select your preferred date using the calendar icon. Next, set a reorder point. This figure is crucial as it indicates when it's time to replenish your stock. Moving forward, click on the Inventory Asset account to select where the inventory value is posted. Selecting options such as Inventory Asset ties the value of the items to your balance sheet. Adding sales details is the next focus area. Click to fill in the product description, such as "This is for a test only," to give context for any transaction entries. Setting a price or rate is essential. It defines how much you are selling the product for. Also, choose an income account. Opt for something like sales of product income to accurately categorize earnings. Don't forget to add sales tax accordingly. This is essential for maintaining compliance and accurate pricing. Once the purchase details are clarified, punch in the purchase cost and thereafter set an expense account to ensure expenses are cataloged efficiently. Lastly, choose a preferred supplier to further streamline your procurement process. When you're ready, click on Save and Close. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new product and you can now see it listed in your inventory, prepared for tracking.